Revamp your salon operations with the best EPOS system. Manage appointments proactively. A salon EPOS system needs appointment management. This includes scheduling customer appointments using the system's simple and easy-to-use interface. The salon staff can enter a customer's name, service, and appointment time with a couple of clicks. A salon EPOS system can also notify workers about upcoming appointments, making it easy to manage schedules and prepare for clients in advance. Effective inventory management. Modern salon EPOS should manage inventory well. A successful salon needs real-time product inventory tracking to avoid overstocking or running out of popular products. A salon EPOS system manages inventory, orders, and notifications for low supply. Payment processing. Modern salon EPOS systems should accept several payment methods, including EMV chips. EMV chip technology secures credit and debit card payments. With EMV chips installed, your salon EPOS system will ensure safe customer transactions and will reduce the chances of fraudulent activities. Benefits of salon POS systems. Minimized operations. One of the main benefits of salon EPOS systems is streamlining processes. EPOS systems save time and money by inventory management and payment processing. Improved customer experience. Salon POS systems accelerate checkout and appointment booking, improving customer service. Fast payment processing will please customers who don't want to wait in line. Salon EPOS system selection considerations. Cost. This is essential for any business, including salon EPOS systems. Find an economical system with good features and functionality. A subscription-based solution may help you control expenditures. Usefulness. Choose a system with easy interfaces, clear instructions, and support. An easy-to-use system reduces errors and saves time, letting you focus on customer service. At IPOSG, we can simplify your transfer over to an automated till system. If you want to get started with EPOS systems, contact us for more information about our services or to purchase your new automated till system. Please click the link in the description.